Hi, and welcome to Sayreville Public Library. We're going to show you how you can check out books online and use ebooks and e-audiobooks on either an app or your mobile device or your computer. So here we have the link that the Sayreville High Schools will lead you to if you click on Librarian Recommendations for Summer Reading English 9 and 9 CP. You'll be able to go through these and see the recommendations that the library has. You can go ahead and click on the title, and it will take you directly to the eLibraryNJ account where it has the options. So if I click on a very large expanse of sea, it will take me to this page. You'll see several things. The first thing that I want you to notice is that this lists it as an ebook. If it has an e-audiobook, it will have headphones instead of this book icon and will say e-audio. Now this one, instead of an automatic checkout, it says recommend. You can click this with your account and it will recommend the title for us to purchase. This will allow us to use our collection budget to its best advantage, and you'll be the first one to be able to check it out as soon as it becomes available. Now, if you are trying to check out a book right away, let's go ahead and click some more titles. I'm going to open Monster by Walter Dean Myers. You'll see that this one has 0 of 1 copy available, and the wait time is about 14 weeks. That's not really convenient with summer reading, but because books are automatically returned to eLibraryNJ, and there's never any late fees, they will be there and on time. And so this is an accurate representation. You can place a hold and see if you can wait that long, but let's say you don't want to wait that long. In order to check out a physical copy of the book, we're doing curbside pickup. So that means that you can place a hold on our library catalog. Here is our library catalog. It's going to be on our main site on sayrevillelibrary.org. You can go ahead and click on catalog, and we'll direct you to this page. Now we're going to look for Monster. Going to select Sayreville Public Library, title, and Monster. Now scroll down, you'll be able to see this is our sound recording. This is by the wrong author, but this one is by Walter Dean Myers. So we're going to see if it's available. And because there's no item notes on it, and the status says Young Adult Collection, and it's by Sayreville Public Library, we know that it is in, and you can place a hold. And you can go ahead and click Place Hold, and use your library card number and PIN number in order to log in. If you have any fines, or if you just want to see if you can apply for a card online, you can apply online for a temporary card. And we'll give you a username and password in order to log in and use eLibrary books. Unfortunately, it won't request physical library books. So there's a little bit of a misnomer there. Now, if you want to log into the eLibraryNJ to check out a book there, let's go ahead and click and see if there's any that are available on eLibraryNJ. This one's recommend. And these ones still don't have their links, but it'll be okay. We'll have them up soon. All right, so in order to do this, you're going to log into your account. So you're going to sign in, and you're going to select Libraries of Middlesex Automation Consortium, not Sayreville Public Library. You'll see that Sayreville Public Library isn't there in between Broadway and Scotch Plains. That's because we're part of a consortium. And so you'll select this one, type in your library card number and 4-digit PIN, and sign in. And you'll be able to request up to 5 holds and then 5 books out at one time. All right, so that's everything that we have for you. And I'll do another one that's explaining Hoopla so that you can see how that works as well. Have a wonderful day.